All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Still on the matter, Yoruba nation not going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yes, my brother, my sister, this is a very strong one that is getting to us. Now, Yoruba warriors have come out in their numbers. When we talk of Yoruba warriors, we talk about the Yoruba hunters also, and then we also talk about the people that are ready to come out when it comes to fighting for the Yoruba land. And now some of these people have come out, and in fact I'm so impressed with what this set of people are saying. My brother, my sister, it has gotten to that level. Ó ti wá dojú ẹ̀ báyìí káwọn warrior, àwọn àgbẹ̀, káwọn hunter kí wọ́n máa jáde síta kán máa sọ pé pé àwa ọmọ Yorùbá o, pé ká para wa pọ̀, pé ká má máa bára wa jà, pé ká má bára wa jà, pé táìmù yìí gan kò tẹ́ ń ṣe táìmù tó yẹ ká má bára wa jà rárá, pé torí pé àwọn Fúlàní tẹ́ ń rí yẹn pé wọn ò bá wa ṣeré mọ́ o, wọn ò ṣeré at all, according to wetin these people them they talk about, that this set of Fulani people are not joking, that they are ready to face Yoruba land. In fact, for hunters to come out, for this warrior to come out in their numbers, in fact some of them made it clear that they were with OPC. They were members of OPC before now. They said a lot of things. They exposed a lot of things, which I am still going to let you understand what this set of people actually talked about. This is so serious. It is not funny at all. Well, still on the matter, Yoruba nation not going back. Exactly what it is. Exactly what the people are talking about. Yes, according to these warriors, they have come out in their numbers. They have made it clear. Let all of us, let us solve our differences. Let us stop fighting each other, because this is not the time for us to be fighting each other, simply because this set of Fulani people that are coming, that are planning to invade our land, they are not joking at all. And then instead of us to be fighting ourselves, why can't we just solve the whole issue, gather ourselves together and then face these Fulani people? Exactly what some warriors are talking about right now. And they've made it clear that they will not lie you, that the only person they respect and that they are giving it to is Chief Sunday Igboho. They made it clear, we are only for Chief Sunday Igboho. Igboho is our Anobi, according to what this set of people are saying. They even made it clear, we did not meet any Anobi when we came to this world. We did not meet any Jesu, according to what this set of warriors just said. Wọ́n ní àbá Nábì nígbà tá dé ilé ayé, àbá Jésù nígbà tá dé alẹ́ ayé, èèyàn kan ṣoṣo tá bá ní Olóyè Sunday Igboho. Olóyè Sunday Igboho kedere òun la gbé fún, according to what these people are talking about. My brother, my sister, I was so shocked to hear warriors coming out in their numbers, and then as they were talking, they were with they were with their Ibons. They were with Ibons. My Yoruba people know what Ibon is called. Yes. They were with their Ibons during this interview. And then they were of the opinion that all Yoruba monarchs should wake up. This is not the time for us to be fighting ourselves. And they made it clear, the fight between Gani Adams and the Chief Sunday Igboho needs to stop. If these people actually love the Yorubas, if you actually have the mind, a good heart of the Yorubas in your mind, this is not the time for you to now be quarreling yourselves. You are supposed to gather yourselves together on how you are going to tackle this Fulani issue. Except somebody is working with this Fulani. That is why you will be prolonging quarrel between two Yorubas when Fulanis are planning to invade Yoruba land. My brother, my sister, this is another strong one. Now, according to what this set of people have also said, they made it clear, Yoruba, Egbara yin o, àwọn Fulani ti múra yín tán, láti Niger ni wọ́n ti ń kó wọn bọ̀. So, bọ́n ṣe ń bọ̀ láti Niger yẹn sìn, ń bọ̀ lẹ rò pé wọ́n ń kó wọn lọ, ń bọ̀ lọ́n lọ, ẹrù bá àwọn people ìṣàn fẹ́ lọ bá àwọn wọn lè bá àwọn ara tí wọ́n jà ó, pé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni wọ́n kóra wọn bọ̀. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ ti pé ẹ fẹ́ máa bára yín jà, báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ face wọn? According to what this set of people said, they made it clear that all Yorubas should prepare themselves, because these Fulani people that are coming, they are coming from Niger in their numbers. They are ready for the Yorubas, and then as it stands, they are not going to face their northerners, but they are going to face the so-called Yoruba people. That is why Yoruba people should stop fighting themselves. Yes, and then according to what these set of people made clear to us, they made it clear that they were actually, when they wanted to join OPC, that the OPC gave them different different option. Like they had some covenant from Gani Adams. According to what this set of people said, everything that had been said is what we are going to release here. Yes, either you believe it or not, this is exactly what these warriors have said, and then exactly what is happening. According to them, they made it clear, and I quote them. They said when they wanted to join the OPC that they were given some rules and regulations, that if you are joining OPC, according to Gani Adams, you must take anything that has to do with politics away from your heart. Yes, that you should not even join politics at all. According to what they made clear, that Gani Adams is a businessman. According to these warriors, they said Gani Adams is a businessman, that in fact he spends like somebody in the Yankee in abroad. My brother, my sister, no be small something. No. So this man, they spend like person will say they abroad, and according to what they have said, that the only person they believe that they are giving it to is Igboho Osha. In fact, I follow Igboho Osha according to what they've made clear. And they made it clear that if we want to survive, we should follow Igboho in this country, but especially in Yoruba land. According to what they made clear, they say Igboho did a lot of things, most especially in Igboho, and as it stands right now, the Igboho people are now enjoying courtesy of Chief Sunday Igboho. And then according to what he made clear, say Egbe fún ẹni tí Ọlọ́run gbà fún, pé Oloye Sunday Igboho ni ẹni tí Ọlọ́run gbà fún, Egbe fún ẹni tí Ọlọ́run bá ní òun ló lè ṣe, Egbe fún. Just allow him to rule. We should not be jealous in this guy. We should not jealous him at all, according to what these warriors have actually made clear. And according to what they also said, they said right now they are using this medium to beg all the monarchs, let us support Igboho, because if Fulani enters now, it will be worse. It will not be okay at all. It will be disastrous. So because of that, let us all try our possible best to to support Chief Sunday Igboho. We have even talked about this before now, that all the monarchs should come out in their numbers. Everybody should come out in their numbers to support that Chief Sunday Igboho be returned to Yoruba land. Yes, Chief Sunday Igboho out of Yoruba land will not help anything. What exactly is our monarchs and then our governors and the rest of them, what exactly are they thinking? What has Chief Sunday Igboho done? And it has been made clear, the name of Oni of Ife had been called upon, that he should do something about it. If Chief Sunday Igboho has offended you people before, please forgive and then forget. Don't sell us to Fulanis, because Fulanis are wise. And then he made mention about this as part of the fact that Fulanis are wise. He made it clear that as far as these Fulani people are concerned, that they are pretenders, they are wise people. That time that they said they should come and sign one thing with the farmers, that the Fulanis will lure you to say sign so that we can work together. Anything that make you to sign, that means you have signed your death warrant, according to what had been gathered. My brother, my sister, this is so strong. And then right now, I think it's a lesson, and it's something we all need to take into consideration for warriors to come out and say all this. My brother, my sister, this is to tell you that, hey, there is fire on the mountain. Everybody needs to wake up. Well, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what is reaching us onto this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you're just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.